What is happiness? Can we find it in a new pair of shoes, a fast car, or bigger house? Or does real happiness lie somewhere else? Hundreds of studies have proved that spending time in nature can make us feel better, both in mind and body. We are humans, but our planet is filled with different kinds of life forms such as animals, insects, plants, and many more. Everyone has their place in a great circle of life, from lions and wolves, who are carnivores, beautiful soaring birds, giant herbivores like elephants, elegant reptiles, and tiny insects, to the most intelligent omnivores, humans. So let's use our intelligence to find peace within ourselves and stop thinking about things we don't need and enjoy nature as it is, pure and beautiful. My name is Vitalya and I like nature because nature was always there and we are guests in this world. My name